Today I'm going to present you our FacDev app we developed at McMaster Program for Faculty Development. I am Yusuf Yilmaz. I am one of the postdoctoral fellows at the CPD office here at McMaster. So here's my conflict of interest. I am an employee of McMaster. I work as an educational technology consultant at the Royal College, and I previously received a grant from Turkey. So I'll bring this slide at the end of my presentation again. So if you pull up your phone and if you want to download and install our app, here's some QR codes. On the left side, you will be able to access the Android app, and on the right side, you will be able to access the iPhone app for the faculty development. And today, we have another session where we introduce our quest design for faculty development at FacDev platform. So this app is an extension platform for our web-based learning management system. So by downloading this app, you will be able to use your single sign-on with the same website, and then you will be able to get all the content from the cloud-based server. And I would like to show you some screenshots today. So once you download the FacDev app on your phone, you will have this icon, and once you open it, the system will prompt you if you want to receive notifications, because we are using notifications to remind some of the upcoming events, what's going on about your profile, about your progress. So we will be tracking all these behind the scenes, and then we want to nudge you throughout your journey at the faculty development progress. So once you downloaded the app, you may log in if you have already an account on the FacDev platform. If you don't have one, you can just simply click the create new account and create your account on the mobile app. So once you logged in, you will have your dashboard. Probably if you are the first time that you are visiting here, so it will be empty screen on your dashboard, but don't worry about it. There's a site home section where you can browse different course categories, which is like quest categories and available quests and courses on the platform. And on the right side of the screenshot, you are seeing a list of courses that offered from the MEC-PFD and developed in collaboration with the other stakeholders that we are working with. So there's a really detailed course content under the pillars of MEC-PFD. So like creativity and teaching, social media and edtech, like different pillars has a lot of courses. So we previously received a grant from the eCampus Ontario to even develop more quests for you to use. So whatever you see on the web app, you will be able to reach and access to on the mobile app as well. So this is kind of where you are dual channeling your content access and your progress. So once you are in the courses, so for instance, you are seeing the Macademia Explorer on the left screenshot, you will be able to see everything that's happening within this quest. So whatever you need to do in terms of like the tasks, in terms of the content that you will browse, you will see what you need to do on the system. So like answer the questions and then look at the questions and see all the details, and then your questions will be tracked behind the scenes. So I will be giving some underlying instructional design about this task in this afternoon. So please join us in the session as well. So once you answer these questions, behind the scenes, the system will capturing your progress and tracking all the completion rates for each task that you are enrolled in. So once you complete a task, the system will give you the feedback like this is complete and this is you have done what you need to do, and then the other ones are just like aligned with your own progress. And you may also see some summary of your required criteria within this quest. So you will be see like which one is completed, which one is not completed, and on your dashboard as well. So you will see like what is the percentage rate that you completed at quest within the platform. So for instance, on the Macademia Explorer, this user is just like complete the 0%, but on the professionalism in clinical learning, this user completed the 8% of the task and the required conditions. And once you completed any quest on the platform and on your mobile device, you also see your certification. So each quest, each course give you a QR enabled course completion certificate. So in order to get the certificate, the system will give you the summary of what you need to do in order to get your certificate. So like completing each task will help you to achieve your quest completion track. So this is the overall structure behind the tracking your progress. And we have other features on the system. So if you enroll some of the synchronous quests that's requiring some human oversights, which I already told you, but like there are different levels of course instructional design. So some of them require some human oversights at the level 3 quest. So you will be able to see like about your progress, what you need to do in your calendar, and you will be able to synchronize this calendar to your own calendar. And you may also reach other people on the platform. It's just like a WhatsApp app or iMessage app that you will be able to communicate through your peers and with the people that you are taking the course with. And on the other side, you will see the summary of your notification. So if you received any notification from the platform, for instance, if you completed a quest, or if there's a deadline about the quest completion, so you will receiving those completion notification. And you may also set your settings, all the configuration, and accessing all the preferences and logging out will be available on the system. So these are the all settings and other features that you can explore on the FacDev mobile app. So here's the QR codes again. So please do download these mobile apps to your phone so that you can access these all of the FacDev journey to track your progress on your mobile device as well. So this is like both synchronized with your web app and the mobile app. So once you log in website, you will see exactly the same progress where you are seeing on your mobile. So this is really a handy feature that if you want to explore more on the platform. So thank you very much. So this is basically the FacDev mobile app, and feel free to ask me any questions if you have. And if you don't have time, Siraj, I am happy to just end it here. Thank you very much.
We'll let one question. Elizabeth Schlegel has a question for you, Yusuf, and then we'll move on to the next presentation.
Thank you. So Yusuf, this is amazing. I love it. Just one quick question. Are you using it with HR? So is this assigned, in other words, and you track completion in any way? Because this really looks something that HR, and faculty development in combination for any healthcare system or medical education system would work really well.
Thank you very much. This is a great question, Elizabeth. And our system has the capability of connecting with the other systems, because behind the scenes, there's an API structure. So we haven't connected with any HR system or anything, but what we are doing with the PGME office, their residents are taking the courses on this platform, and then we are giving them the access to the reporting features. So they will be able to see like overall resident progress in terms of each quest. So they are seeing like which activity they completed, which activities that they are not completed. So we are doing this manually for now, but the system has the options and the features to connect with the other systems. So we are happy to explore this if this is required at the HR level as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.